father was so patient with me.
Strike the metal like I showed you.
Quick but controlled. I heat the metal like this?
You know what to do, Atsu. Don't second-guess yourself. You are improving.
I guess.
Consistency over perfection, Atsu.
Father and I worked so hard I heard the hammers in my sleep.
Is your arm still sore?
I'm getting used to it. You never told me who we're making this for.
An old friend.
It's almost there.
But now, we rest.
Come!
Here, you will pay for your insult.
You, stranger, come here. The Oni raiders grow bolder by the day, and we are spread far too thin out here.
You're lucky I came along.
That we are. Take this. For your support of Clan Matsumae. Be careful out there.
just want to talk.
Fine. Take my hand. You really did a number on those demons. I owe you.
Why are the raiders after you?
They want me to make them scorch bombs.
As if setting this entire valley on fire wasn't enough.
And yet you're running around, all your limbs still attached. Good on you.
Thank you?
No time for pleasantries. More raiders are coming. Grab those scorch bombs and practice if you want to leave. This place is out of the way. Perfect for testing things that blow up. Let's see if your aim is any good. Will have to do. I can hear raiders crawling up the ravine. I've made enough scorch bombs to blow up a mountain. Blast the bastards. Try not to lose your fingers. way. Cover this exit. I'll take the other side. You have a gift for destruction.
You're one to talk.
I used to make things of beauty and wonder. Not that it matters now. There is work to do. Oni raiders are mining niter across the valley, and I'm going to take it.
To make more bombs?
To make the bomb. One that will keep the raiders off my back. Permanently.
If it means bombs for me and less raiders, I'm in.
I knew I liked you for a reason. The name is Ina.
Atsu.
I spotted raiders carrying niter by Bear Rock. Use my bombs to make some noise over there. I'll know you want to meet. In the meantime, you can come to me for any of your more explosive needs. Atsu, need to restock those bombs? Take your pick. I feel pity for your enemies. I knew you'd get that. Make some trouble.
Go. She must be right. There's nothing to be scared of. Trouble with your horse?
I don't know. This road is usually safe from the raiders, but he won't budge.
Well, something spooked him.
Maybe a woman's touch will help?
I can try. Shh. What are you afraid of? Where are you going?
A bear! Please, save my horse!
Can't hurt you anymore.
Oh, thank you. He's alive.
It's a good thing he's fast.
He learned the hard way. The Oni's men have been stealing horses.
Lots of ways to die in this land.
But not today. Thank you. Please, take this for your trouble.
What's up here? Stones stand against the waves, watched over by the mountain.
check that out.
There she is! Many thanks, stranger. I owe you my life. Those raiders were after the Blue Yamauba.
Blue Yamauba. I saw the bounty on her.
I saw the blue-faced witch set fire to a whole raider camp. She even watched their prisoners burn. Innocent people. But to her, they were all demons.
You said her face was blue?
A mask. Lined with the malice and years of a crone. The mask artisan at the Oni's Breath Inn might know what powers it keeps.
Draw it for me. Consider it payment for saving your life. I should pay Saburo a visit.
Please, no trouble. We gave the Oni everything we have.
Something wrong?
Not at all. See the masks on our wall. We bow to the Oni.
No one should bow to the Oni.
His raiders would kill you for saying that.
They tried and failed.
In that case, maybe you could help us.
Who's us?
My daughter is too kind for her own good. She has taken pity on a wounded Matsumai. It's best if I show you. Follow me.
Why should I help a samurai?
He has coin. And if the raiders find us hiding him, they'll burn us all alive.
Mother, who is she?
Our savior, I hope.
I haven't agreed to anything yet.
This samurai was dying in the grass. I found him before the Oni raiders did. His name is Ikeda.
They're still looking for him. If they find him here, they will kill us. Can you take him back to his camp?
You will be rewarded. I swear it.
I have a brother who'd be angry if I didn't help. How far is your camp, Ikeda?
Nearby.
I need to get him ready to walk. Please keep watch outside while I finish tending his wounds.
I'm curious. Why risk your lives to help him?
The Matsumai are the only ones standing up to the Oni.
Think they can make a difference?
Even a few dead raiders are better than none. Oni raiders! They're coming!
I'll deal with them. Tell your samurai to get moving. There they are.
Samurai! We know you're in there!
That's the last of them.
We're over here.
Can you move, Samurai?
I will manage.
I'll help him.
You can't go alone. It's dangerous.
Mother, I found him. I have to see this through.
Be safe. All of you.
You are a brave one.
Not as brave as you. More Oni raiders!
Time to earn my coin.
I see her!
My camp is just a little farther.
Let's hurry.
I think I see my brothers. Matsume! Over here! Ikeda! You're still alive? With the help of these two.
Hold them off!
Well then, stranger. You have done your part serving the Matsume.
Don't forget your part.
Not so loud. I don't want the men to know I give money to
A woman?
a mercenary.
For a few coins more, I won't tell a soul.
Here, your pay. With my gratitude.
Follow the rules.
Where are you off to? These masks yours? Maybe not. Do the masks scare you? I don't like them either. No masks here. You're safe.
You want that prize? Better start hunting. Bring me a bounty, then you'll earn that coin.
Over here, boy. Wolves are nearby. Dead wolves. Time to go hunting.
All wolves dead and pinned to his wall. Maybe I will keep a pelt or two for myself.
I will keep an eye on her.
Let's get your friend out of this cage.
I'll kill your pet if it gets too close.
Don't worry. I have your salmon right here. Go on. No need to thank me.
Stranger! A word.
Alone out here by yourself?
Admiring this altar and waiting for a worthy opponent.
I saw a fox once who'd make you break a sweat.
Cute. My blade will put you into the ground. What do you think about that?
I think my blade has other ideas.
Maybe you're worth my blade after all. You'll make a pretty corpse.
Prick. Hey, boy.
Still alive, huh? In need of a bow your skills?
Maybe.
Then let's get down to business. What can I do for you? You won't find a better deal elsewhere. Have a look. Good luck on your hunt, Onryo.
Thanks for the advice.
Sit. Have you eaten yet, Katkima?
Do you have anything to trade?
Of course.
Have you had dealings with the YOTEI 6?
Their leader approached several Ainu leaders for an alliance against Clan Matsumai. They refused. We welcome others to our lands, but we don't start wars for them.
How did Saito react?
Not well. His men are no friends of ours. Many of my people have already moved away to avoid getting involved.
You still trade with Clan Matsumai?
We have a mutually beneficial relationship, but things have been strained recently. They've closed their borders, readying for war against this Lord Saito. There are rumblings their shogun looks upon the Ainu trade routes with envy.
War has changed a lot of things in the mainland.
This meal would be made better with a drink. Did we run out of Ashker?
Ureporo was supposed to bring some, but he hasn't shown up. Last I heard, he was trading with foreigners around Cape Shinodai.
Ah, shame.
I should get going.
Apuno, Payan.
Find me, boy. do we have here?
Looking for something?
Are you?
Junpei the Snatcher. He and his men are holed up somewhere behind this rock.
Then we've caught the same scent. What do you know about him?
He captures samurai and holds them for ransom. Say, have we met before?
No.
Huh. Well, why don't we take him together? Split the bounty. Follow me. What's your name?
Mayumi?
I swear I've seen you before, Mayumi. We need to get going! How I remember where I've seen you. On a bounty poster. You killed the snake. You're worth more than his dogs to chase him.
Won't have to split the bounty now. Now to find Junpei.
are being attacked!
About blacksmithing? Enough talking.
I am hoping a fat merchant comes along. Is it?
You there! Kill these bandits and cut me loose! Come on,
That's the last of them. You'll be free soon.
Finally. I can't die in this hole. Come on.
Hurry, before anyone else sees us.
They held us for ransom.
How much were you worth?
Enough that they were dragging their feet. Your money's in my saddlebags. Follow me.
That's my prisoner.
Junpei the Snatcher.
Most sought-after bounty in all of Ezo.
Don't know about that.
You're worth a lot of money, Wanderer. Lord Saito is a bad enemy to have. This is going to hurt!
Now you're Junpei the Dead.
Looks like Junpei beat the dust.
Just another day in Ezo.
You catch on quick.
raiders will avenge me! No more!
Better start talking. Tell me where I can find more Oni raiders.
They have taken over Nishin Fishery to punish the villagers for defying Lord Saito.
Get out of here.
You saved us. Please, have this. We owe you our lives. And be careful. Take only what you can carry and go, before more of them show up.
Shimaki. Come on, boy.
Fancy sword on that one.
Can she even cut bamboo?
I'd like... Shh, let her focus. Child's play. She picked a fight with the wrong bamboo. Bamboo won. Never cut seven.
Even you never cut all seven.
Shut up.
Those Ronin left me a gift.
We've got raiders in the inn. Watch your back.
No mask, no entry.
I hear you have raiders inside.
Drunk ones. This is the Oni's breath in. What do you expect? No mask, no entry.
Just a few more jumps. She doesn't look that tough. Hey, I was looking at that.
Not if you want to live.
It was nothing anyway. Mercy!
No one wants to fight me? We want sake!
Then deal with the raiders. The Oni thugs took it all. There's no sake to sell. Raiders in the inn decided they should have it all. For free.
I don't care what anyone says.
No one?
Only cowards.
No one wants to fight me?
Some people say...
At least the raiders know how to have fun. I could kick them out, you know, if I wanted to. You, fight me.
You're drunk.
Come on, give me a real fight. I win, I give you mon. Oh, you know what I mean.
I've gotten into fights for worse reasons.
Aha! Yes! Wait. Come at me. Enough!
With a tired old Ronin,
Take your money.
I'm buying.
What are we drinking?
Sake. Good one. From the south, where my good days reside. Between the YOTEI 6 and the Matsumae, we're going to die in Ezo, you know.
You just find something worth dying for.
I left that with my samurai honor. Thank you for listening to an old man. Keep the sake.
Everyone wants to play war, but how many?
No mask, no intrigue.
Mask stays on.
Blend in, get information on the YOTEI 6.
At least someone out there has the guts to join the party. Sit! Have a drink. Let's play a game, friend. I pose a riddle. You answer. Get it right, I drink. Get it wrong, you drink.
All right, let's hear this riddle.
Feed me and I live. Quench my thirst and I die. What am I?
Fire.
The lady is correct. I drink.
There are lots of Ronin looking for work out there.
But you are better than all of them put together, and want the raiders to send jobs your way instead. Is that it?
Why scrounge around for jobs when I could join the raiders instead?
Brave little doll, aren't we? I have eyes when I have company. I am blind when I am alone.
A mask.
Ah, the doll is smart too.
So what's it like working for the YOTEI 6?
Why so curious about them?
They're going up against the Matsumae, aren't they? I'd like to be on the winning side when that happens.
Answer this next riddle and maybe we can talk about it. I am real within you. I am but a story around you.
A demon.
Right you are. I heard there's one running around the YOTEI grasslands, killing our men.
Thanks for the free drinks.
Ah, wait. I saved the best riddle for last. I carry a sword. but I am not a man. I asked about the YOTEI 6 too much, and tipped my hand.
You really don't want to do this.
No one is that eager to come face to face with the YOTEI 6.
Fine. We take it outside. I hate spilling good sake.
Hope that sword's not too heavy for you.
Let's get this over with! Anyone else want to join them? Drinks are on them.
You have your favorite cup back. You happy now?
What? Are they going to keep killing each other until there's no one left?
Want to play?
Why not?
Zeni Hajiki. I think I remember how to play.
Zeni Hajiki is a game of patience and strategy.
So you'll teach me?
Help me set up the table. Pick a coin, and we'll start with the basics.
This one feels lucky.
That's what. Now pick the other coin, and aim it back at this one.
I have my eye on it.
One more time. Aim and flick. Well done. If you hit a coin, you must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off the table.
Father always does that. So he loses his...
My daughter has a gentle side. You're taking to this well.
Now what?
I take my next... I did it!
Sometimes it pays to listen to your mother. In a real game, you must hit half the coins on...
Play me again, and I'll make things more interesting by wagering a charm. Someone like you could put it to good use.
The only thing that's certain. We look forward to your continued...
Okay. Decided to brave the demons of this valley, I see. Why not pick a mask? Any mask! To keep them at bay.
I can manage just fine.
Yeah. The Oni's breath in. Cleansed from its demons by your hand. Now home to Ishikari's authentic crooked clientele.
I'm looking for a bounty. The Blue Yamoba. Do you recognize her mask?
It is indeed one of mine. Sold a full moon ago to a young woman. She wanted the hag's protection for her little one. A son, as I recall.
A son. Did she tell you where she lived?
Somewhere in the forest, northeast of here. Something happened.
They say she's killing raiders and innocent bystanders.
That doesn't sound like Mio. She'd never do anything that would put her child in danger.
Maybe something's changed.
Every mask is carefully designed. Here you have it. Watch your step!
I need to get some sleep tonight.
This must be Mio's work. The Blue Yamoba. did all of this. At least I'm on the right trail.
Our brothers! We need to find them! Your luck's run out! The prey is facing! Someone's there! What? I see her! Your face is on a bounty poster.
Someone burned this place. Not that long ago. A place to honor the dead. A doll. The mask artisan mentioned a son. It's burned. That is a lot of dead raiders. The raiders must have burned this place down, and Mio's son along with it.
You dare come to my home, raider!
Wait! I am not one of them!
That is what a demon would say!
Your name is Mio. I know the raiders killed your son. The YOTEI 6, the demons, tried to burn me too. After they murdered my parents.
Then you've come to join me, to help me kill them all.
To kill the demons, but no more hurting innocent people. Give me your mask. I'll tell them you're dead. You can disappear. Start over.
Start over?
There she is! Killed the hag! Killed everyone!
You liar! You brought the demons! and the blue Yamapa! I won't stop till every demon bleeds by my hand!
You're killing innocent people! Please, Mio, stop this!
Mio is dead! If I die, I'm taking you with me. I will cut you! All of you. Everyone in this valley.
I'm sorry, Mio. You gave me no choice.
So the blue Yamauba was real after all?
Grief for her son drove her mad.
At least you put her to rest.
Saito brothers deserve to be cleaved in half. That is the way of the Odachi.
Yes, Master Yoshida.
Can I help you?
I am Master Yoshida, but I'm not accepting any more students.
Too busy chasing down the Saito brothers?
I see we have something in common. You must be the Onryo hunting them, just as you hunted the snake.
You've heard of me.
Those names on your sash. It's a bold woman who wears her enemies around her waist.
And it's a bold warrior who carries a giant sword on his back. Or a foolish one.
We are both fools if we're at war with the YOTEI 6.
What did the Saito brothers do to you?
That requires trust. Something only my best students earn.
Then teach me the way of the Odachi. How hard can it be?
That depends on if you can lift it.
Why teach the Odachi?
Anyone can wield a katana, but a blade the size of a man?
Makes it slow, dull.
Only in the wrong hand. Here, try and pick it up. Well?
It's very large.
Come with me. With proper training, even the largest enemies will beg for mercy.
Our new student thinks she can best master Yoshida.
The Odachi weighs more than she does. She will not last the day.
Does the Onryo have a name?
Atsu.
Ready your Odachi, Atsu. We will begin with blocking, to help you become comfortable with the Odachi's weight. Good. You handle the weight well. Raise your Odachi higher. Blocking is about control. But to attack with the Odachi, you must floor with its weight. Swing at me, light and fast. Use the blade's heft to your advantage. Impressive. Now, break my guard with a heavy strike. You are a force! Not bad. You're still standing.
So are you. Men who come at me usually wind up dead.
Maybe someday. Now, the real fun begins. Atsumae! You are our guest? Who wants to challenge her? Or are you content to just talk?
I'll teach her a lesson. Please, we yield.
Who's next?
You're a quick study, Atsu. Your swing is more confident. Unlike some of you, who fight like my blind grandmother.
Master!
Our scouts have returned.
Master Yoshida! The dragon and the spider's men have a camp up the ridge.
So close? They won't sit idle for long.
There's a group on their way now.
Let them come, and meet our braids.
Matsumae! At attention! The enemy draws near!
Atsu, a moment.
Saito's sons are coming here?
Unlikely. So far, they've only sent soldiers. You should wait in the rear. This is too much for your first day.
My first day? I fought at Sekigahara.
All right, if you're so eager. But you must remember, the Odachi is most effective against larger opponents. But you should always face a katana with your own. Show me what weapon to draw when fighting a swordsman. Good. And if your enemy stands a head taller than you... Yes, the power of your Odachi will overwhelm them. Saito's men are here.
Master Yoshida! The spider and the dragon demand blood for the humiliation they have suffered because of you.
If their pride was so wounded, they should have come themselves.
Try the Odachi!
Why are we waiting?
Patience. She must face this trial.
I know this woman! She's the Onryo!
To battle!
Not bad.
You're right.
Stay your brains! Victory is ours!
Not bad, Atsu. I wasn't sure you were going to survive.
There are plenty of dead men in Ezel who underestimated me.
And I thought I was the cocky one.
You still are. I let my blade do the talking.
Your blade needs more training.
There's no time. Your scout said the Saito brothers have men camped just up the ridge.
My students need to rest.
But does their master need a nap?
Let's go. Atsu and I will head off Saito's men. Protect our home! And the way of the Odachi!
We won't fail you, Master Yoshida.
This way, Atsu. How's that Odachi feel now?
I almost forgot I was carrying it.
Tell me, what drives you to hunt the YOTEI 6 all on your own?
Everyone else was taking too long. And what about you? How does a young Odachi master get stuck teaching?
Who else but the best to pass along their knowledge?
There's more to it than that.
And you just decided to track Saito's men for sport?
I enjoy traveling.
Just as I love teaching.
We could lie to each other all day.
Makes for pleasant conversation.
I prefer no conversation.
Then I suppose I'll have to feel the silence. Would you like to hear the complete history of Clan Matsumae? Or perhaps a song? No, poetry. We masters are supposed to love that. Odachi, my love. Your weapon more glorious.
Stop, please. Quietly. Saito's men ahead.
Some with muskets.
We are falling behind, so pick up the pace! Master Yoshida!
A good chance to put your lessons to use.
I see her!
Try to keep up.
I have seen your face on the poster. Here to collect your head.
going. Help me up the ledge.
Hurry!
I see why they call you the Onyo.
Superstition.
Or it's the anger in your swing.
Look out!
Find cover!
No, we put the pressure on them. Make them fight.
Quickly, we need to get through that gate. Do you always charge head first into bohi of fire like that?
That's the job done.
Get your face blown off!
Then I'll wear a mask.
Like our friends, the Saito brothers.
Back at the dojo, one of their soldiers said you humiliated them?
They deserved far worse. Careful. I hear movement at the top of the cliff. Wait. More of Saito's outlaws are up ahead. Time for your next lesson.
Now?
The best lessons come when death is near. Use the Odachi's size to your advantage. While in a defensive stance, knock your opponent off balance. Then come in with a follow-up attack.
Got it. Block, knockback, and attack.
Don't forget it. I'd miss our pleasant conversation. Now, draw your Odachi. Do not put it away until you have mastered this technique. Saito dogs! Your attack on my home failed!
Your masters won't be pleased!
For the dragon! For the spider!
Take a defensive stance and wait for his attack. Now, knock him back! That's it, Natsu!
You can join in anytime.
More of them! Sliding down from above! I can't be stopped! We're not done yet. Come on.
Block, knock back, and attack. Simple, but efficient.
Help me up here!
Any lessons for this, great master?
Yes. Always be the first one up. Bears run fast.
Why does Clan Saito have it out for you?
I stole the dragon's lover.
She must have been a beautiful woman.
The truth will ruin our present conversation. As I suspect, would your own secrets?
It's a burden I've been carrying. For a long time.
Odachi can lighten.
Maybe.
When this threat has passed, we'll talk.
Take cover!
Your turn for a lesson! We're easy targets sitting still. Move! Keep going! Don't stop! Close the distance!
There they are! Together!
Their fire on my home, and my Odachi will die! Much pain and suffering!
Hear my weapon!
Perish today knowing you have met the master of your death! Their fire on my home, and my Odachi will visit much pain and suffering upon your head! Hear my weapon! This is the land where mercy comes to die! You perish today knowing you have met the master of your death! It's over.
Nothing a giant sword couldn't solve.
Don't forget rushing into Bohia fire.
Keeps them on their toes.
I think mine were blown off.
So how about you tell me why the dragon and spider want you dead?
It's not a story I enjoy telling. But you may be the one to set it right. Lord Saito has two sons. The dragon, eager to please firstborn, desperate to prove his worth. And the spider, a craven drunk, whose decadence is outweighed only by his cruelty. It was my duty to hunt them down. Clan Matsumaya pursued the Saito brothers for a year. I could not wait for the day we would back them into a corner. Then that day came, and we walked into a storm of gunfire. 100 Matsumaya fell to 40 muskets. A bloody massacre orchestrated by Lord Saito's sons. When the smoke cleared, the spider prowled the battlefield, executing the wounded samurai. I held my breath and waited for the bullet that would end my life. I felt the spider's shadow fall over me. As he raised his pistol, I swung my odachi and nearly cut him in two. As the spider screamed in agony, I ran for my life, and the dragon's bullets followed. One hit me in my leg. I didn't notice until later when the Matsumaya healer pulled it out and told me the spider survived. The dragon refused to leave his brother's side until he recovered. They had won the battle, but such a wound was considered a humiliation. Lord Saito judged his sons harshly, and in turn, the spider and the dragon have dedicated themselves to my ruin. I had hoped Lord Matsumaya would demand I go into exile for such failure. Instead, he asked me to teach.
So you came here?
By his orders. He knew Clan Saito would remain our sworn enemy. Who better to train Matsumaya how to fight them than one who had faced them?
And suffered greatly at their hand. The YOTEI 6 murdered my family. I spent 16 years fighting in the south. I came home for revenge. And to find peace.
Both elusive goals.
I have 6 names on a list. Every one of them a killer. I'm working my way down.
Perhaps you can strike a blow I no longer can. Last I heard, the dragon and spider were trading with the Russians in the north. At their father's bidding.
And the other YOTEI 6? Where can I find them?
The one called the Kitsune hides further north, in Teshio Ridge. People who seek him out have a habit of disappearing.
Thank you for your lessons. And the pleasant conversation.
I wonder what unpleasant would be like with you.
Ask the YOTEI 6.
The dragon and the spider may be out of reach, but you can still hurt Lord Saito.
How?
By disrupting his operations in Tokachi Range. I can provide you with a list of targets.
Why don't we hit them together?
As much as I enjoy charging bohias with you, my place is here. You're the one I've been waiting for, Atsu. An unstoppable force of nature, delivering retribution to Clan Saito for all their sins.
I do what I can.
You can finish the hunt, I cannot. Destroy, destabilize, dismantle. Make Saito's life miserable, and I will reward you.
With pleasant conversation?
That's always free. Along with more training. And a coin. A worthy blade deserves a worthy reward. These are the targets.
I've already taken care of everything on this list.
You do get around.
Can't let the trail go cold.
Well, return whenever you're ready to continue your training. The Odachi still has its secrets. Are you ready to begin?
The Oni's name itches to be crossed off my sash. I'll find him. Nishikari Plain.
Atsu! You've been busy. You have made life miserable for the YOTEI 6. Better yet, their followers are terrified of you. The Odachi wielding Onryo. You even have admirers among Clan Matsumaya.
In my experience, samurai have short memories.
Useful when gambling with them. Come. You have more than earned your next lesson. There are certain techniques passed down from master to master through these scrolls. Of course, I improved them.
Seen more combat here than anywhere else.
We will study them together.
Begin with a wide stance.
Is something wrong?
I'd rather hit something than read.
Later. I have students for that.
Rotate your body, unleashing a powerful swing.
This requires focused energy.
And that focus comes from breathing.
Something many students forget in the face of the enemy. To breathe. The Odachi's weight will throw you off balance. This next technique will break your opponent's guard, and you're not listening.
I learn better hands-on.
You can spar with me, whether you survive.
How did you improve these techniques?
The old men who wrote them got lost in poetry. One day I knocked them to the ground and reminded them a giant sword doesn't need to rhyme. Ready your Odachi.
You ready yours? You're one of those old men now.
After you. Now, show me your technique. Don't hold your breath. Try again. Almost. Control your breathing. It's too erratic. That's it!
My stance and breath were steady.
And my hand felt it.
Let's go again. Give me a chance to knock you to the ground, old man.
I still have another hand. Better to take a sake break. The weather's turning cold.
I can make us a fire.
My old master would say the flames are coaxed by your breath. Just like your new technique. But I'm cold, so hurry up.
I think that was the worst sake I've ever tasted.
I cut it with vinegar. My students sneak into it at night.
You're not a very fun master.
I used to let them drink the good stuff. I joined in. But drunken samurai swinging Odachi around doesn't end well. I had to enforce discipline.
And become one of those old men.
If not that, then what? I'm a warrior, sitting here watching the war from afar. How is your hunt for the YOTEI 6 coming?
Slow.
You'll find them. And then use that Odachi to remove their heads. Did you hear that? Movement below. It might only be animals. Let's check to make sure.
I see a Matsumae patrol.
I'm used to that. That's not what I heard.
There's a merchant caravan heading north.
Ah, that must have been it.
Wait, there's something else. A group of Saito's men.
What are they doing?
There's your answer! Watch out!
To the horses! have to stop them!
What about your other students?
No time to rally them! These bastards must be stopped once and for all! This is one war I can win! Remember the new technique you learned?
Right! Keep them confused and off guard!
I will not be denied this victory! Nawatsu! Roll your odachi! I am Master Yosa! The servant of the great god Master! This is my student, Onyo! Dogs bark for that bitch you call Clan Saito! Die in a geyser of your own by our mighty blade! Watch out! War on the way! Die screaming, knowing the Onyo and her teacher have ended your life! Fear our odachi, severing your head from your neck! Nawatsu! Roll your odachi! I am Master Yoda! A servant of the great god Master! This is your student, the Onyo! And you are all dogs born from that bitch you call Clan Saito! Atsu, watch out! War on the way! Die screaming, knowing the Onyo and her teacher have ended your life! You fear our odachi, severing your head from your neck!
Don't let her reach that weapon! Don't let her reach that weapon!
Nawatsu! Roll your odachi! I am Master Yoda! A servant of the great god Master! This is my student, the Onyo! And you are all dogs forth from that bitch you call Clan Saito! Atsu, watch out! War on the way! Die screaming, knowing the Onyo and her teacher have ended your life! You fear our odachi, severing your head from your neck! Spring upon your face! Your great and worthy weapons bind the patches in your skulls! Nawatsu! Roll your Odachi! I am Master Yoshida, a servant of the great Lord. This is my student, Yongyo, and you are all dogs born from that bitch you call Grand Saito!
Here I come!
Watch out! War on the way! Taste the blood of your brother. Spring upon your face. Remember, as our great and worthy weapons lie purchase in your soul. Our orders are your end. Crush your chest and burst open your heart!
Well, I think we got them all.
This may have only been a skirmish, but if I can't lead armies to victory, then I can lead my students to mastery of their own courage.
And you to your own redemption.
Perhaps. This certainly helped. You honor the way of the Oda Chiatsu. I'm proud to have fought alongside you.
Likewise, Master Yoshida. You bring honor to Clan Matsumae.
Those words mean a lot, coming from you.
What now?
Continue training with your Odachi. Even someone with your natural talent needs practice. When you feel you have nothing left to learn, return to me for one final lesson.
There's more?
Maybe not in the way you think, but worthy just the same.
I look forward to it. Take care, Master Yoshida. There you go, Shimaki.
for this.